1. Egypt seeking guarantees from the US that exiled Hamas leaders won't be attacked. Egypt has asked Washington to provide assurances that Israeli strikes will not hit Hamas leaders who are now in exile. This request is prompted by intelligence that Israel might target senior Hamas figures even outside Gaza. 2. Discussions about relocating some Hamas leaders to Cairo. Egypt, alongside Qatar and Turkey, is considering giving a home in Cairo to 3 or 4 senior Hamas members who are involved in negotiations with Israel. Names mentioned include Zahar Jabrin, Nazal Avdallah, and Hassam Badran. 3. Denials of certain reports. Egypt has officially denied several specific claims relating to arms or weapons custody, and has also rejected media reports about other protective measures. For example, one Israeli report claimed Egypt proposed taking temporary custody of Hamas weapons, which Egypt denies. Requests by Hamas via Egypt. Among the demands Hamas is making in negotiations is that any ceasefire and set of agreements include guarantees that Israel will refrain from attacking their leadership. This appears in multiple reports of ceasefire negotiations mediated, or at least facilitated, by Egypt. Dash. What is not clear, not confirmed. There's no public evidence yet that Egypt has formally granted asylum or full legal protection to these Hamas leaders. It's not established that the guarantees Egypt is seeking will be accepted by the US or Israel, or that they have binding force. It's unclear what protection would entail, e.g., whether security physical guarantees, immunity from attack, military or covert, or legal immunity from prosecution. There are many denials and pushbacks from Egypt about more extreme protective claims, like weapons custody, relocation of crossings, etc. So many of the protection stories are still at the level of discussion, proposal, or negotiation, not fully implemented or agreed in all parties.